So yesterday we arrived at Jaffna. I was too tired last evening to make any videos. We arrived at about 5 o'clock. It was already very dark, and then I arrived at this place which is called the Northern Residences. It's a pretty nice place, and this is very close to the railway station in Jaffna. It's about a couple of kilometers. Let me show you around the place. We're right now on our way to the Nallur Kandaswamy Temple. Hello and welcome to Katsu Travels. I talk about interesting trips that families can do in an affordable budget. Today we're going to Sri Lanka and we're going to sample some interesting experiences. Hello, so this is Seelan, childhood friend from Chennai, and we're catching up after a long time, and we're now revising a lot of memories from the summer of 1995-96. We obviously weren't together when Sri Lanka won the World Cup, but I'm sure he would have fist pumped a lot, because I remember I used to do that to him, because India used to win in cricket in 93, 94, and things changed after Jayasuriya and fell with Arana. But yeah, we're here reliving some memories. We're now on our way to the Nallur Kandaswamy Temple, and let's take you around there.
Jaffna is a city that's rebuilding post the civil war. As a result, it's not very crowded. We were on our way to the Nallur Kandaswamy Temple. This is a significant Hindu temple with the presiding deity being Lord Murugan, or Katharagama as they call it in Sri Lanka. The original Kandaswamy Temple was developed actually in the 13th century. The current temple is the fourth such temple that is built in Nallur. The other three temples are now occupied by churches that have been erected by the Portuguese. The temple has 4 gopurams and 6 bell towers. The main entrance faces the east, while the northern part of the temple is a little garden, and the southern part has a holy pond, as you're able to see from above. The new gopuram was built and inaugurated in 2015, called the Gubera Raja Gopuram. The temple has its own website at nallurkandan.com and is written here in the description below. And of course, the temple is host to the annual Nallur festival that happens in July-August, which is spread over 24 days. The Nallur Kandaswamy Temple doesn't allow people with their mobile phones on. So, I'm not able to bring you any recording inside of how the temple looks, but I'm going to recite from memory of what I took from the experience inside. The Nallur Kandaswamy Temple, in fact, has a lot of paintings and inscriptions dating back to other Murugan temples that are in the vicinity. And it talks about the Murugan temples that we frequently know in Tamil Nadu. So there were references made to the Padani Murugan Temple, Padamudir Cholai, Tiruttani, Tirupparangundram, Tiruchendur and Swami Malai. It sometimes makes me feel that in an era maybe 100 years or 150 years back, there was frequent communication or travel between these places, which is Nallur and places in Tamil Nadu, or maybe people never saw them as two separate identity or two separate places with different identities. Today it exists as two different countries, but the flavor here is largely the sentiments of Tamil people. So that way, that's probably what unites these lands.
The toys are all the same, Nandu, huh? You want these toys. What's your age?
Big now, come here. And second, come down on that one.
What do you want that one?
That one, G?
Car.
Not the car, above that.
I don't know what is it about.
Showbot.
Race. Showbot, I don't see what it is.
Robot over here. I want the robot over there. That above it. Yeah, above the cars. There is
Okay,
a
why do you
robot.
want it?
Because I want to play. It's meant for playing only, no? Please. I want that robot.
I'll check. Annama.
Wait. I'm buying something.
Oh, you have the money?
Oh, wait up there.
2,100. Are you happy?
Yes. Please subscribe to Kachu Travels on
YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and of course my own blog www.kachutravels.com.